Hello guys, welcome to Techful Things YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to buy Telegram stars using TON. Okay, so TON is a cryptocurrency, and in this video, I will show you guys how you can buy your Telegram stars using the crypto TON. So without wasting my time, let me go to my browser. Okay, because you will be buying the Telegram stars from a platform, and that platform is verified by a Telegram itself. So first, you will search for Fragment. So this is the interface of the platform Fragment. You will see this stars in the navigation bar. So we will click on this stars. So this will appear and they say buy Telegram stars. So top up stars balance for yourself or for your friends and colleagues. And what we have to do now is to connect our TON wallet. There are so many TON wallet platform out there that you can use. So you just click on the TON. So they say connect your wallet. Okay, so I'll click on connect wallet. And I have successfully connected my TON Keeper to Fragment. So let me go back, and you can see when I click on this menu bar, you can see that my TON is connected. So what you have to do now is to enter our Telegram username, okay? Because we are buying the Telegram stars for a Telegram account. So we need to input the Telegram username for that account, okay? So we enter the amount of stars we want to buy, okay? So it starts from 50 stars to 1 million stars. Okay, so we enter the 50 stars. Okay, so the price of the 50 stars is there because we are using our crypto TON to make the payment. So let's click on buy 50 Telegram stars to purchase it. So this will appear. Do you want to buy 50 Telegram stars for tech? You will receive a message like this. So after I receive a message like this, so I'll click on buy stars for tech, and it will open my TON Keeper account to make payment, hey? If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Techful Things YouTube channel and also share our videos.